Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2A, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's begin with the shortest codes. The first one is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the regulatory labels. It is *#07#. And as I said, here we've got the regulatory labels, so of course you can check them, you can check the head and the body of your device, etc. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all events in one place, gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you the diagnostic mode which is provided by Google. It is *##426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal level should also be right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##. And there we've got the testing menu, so here we can check phone and Wi-Fi information and also usage statistics. So let's simply tap on this section, and as you can see, there we've got the phone info, just like the phone number, car network, data service, or override network type. Of course, I do not have any kind of information right here because I do not have my SIM inserted. However, if you've got one, for sure you will be able to check the information. You can run ping test here. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back, maybe let's check usage statistics. Basically here we've got the list of all apps and kind of processes which are currently on this device. You can sort them by usage time and by last time use or app name. It's up to you which option is better for you, and you can check the usage time, which is quite cool. And the Wi-Fi information, you can check the API configuration and the status. So let's tap, for example, on this one, we can refresh the stats. And here you can check the info just like the SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.